Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you guys. Nadia Khar is Instagram star and model who is so famous for his amazing curvy figure. She was born on 12 May 1997 in Pakistan. Nadia is currently living in the United States. She started his career from Instagram by uploading his gorgeous photos. Nadia uploaded her first photo on November 2016. On April 2018, Nadia uploaded photo with his car Jenny Coupe. On August 2018, she done a sponsorship for MST Wheels. Nadia joined and became active on TikTok in May 2019. Nadia Khar has over 706,000 followers on Instagram. She's following 416 people on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.